Have you ever had a brush or something when you're cleaning and the handle twists on you in the one direction? So you can only apply pressure to the brush in the direction that tightens up the handle. Well, I've got that going on too. And it's really aggravating. So here's what I'm going to do. I'm going to drill a hole. I'll just drill it right here. This is a pilot hole. Just like that. And I just happen to have a countersink tool already on my drill from another project I'm working on right here. But I'm going to put a little bit of a countersink in it. You don't have to do that. The reason I'm doing it is I got a little bit of a shorter stainless steel screw here. Then I'm going to take that screw and I'm going to put it in there. Now my brush handle is locked in and I can apply pressure in both directions. And you can use any kind of screw depending on how aggravated you are on that. You know, the factory put one in here for this plastic piece to hold to the metal handle. Could have done that too, but they didn't, so I did. So there's a tip for you, just in case you're having the same aggravating problem I am. That's how I fixed mine.